Welcome to your Māori lesson about tennis terms. Tennis is a popular sport around the world and now you can enjoy it in te reo Māori. It has its own set of words and here are some of the most common terms in Māori about the game of tēnehi. The first term is whakarite, which means to prepare. This is used when talking about getting ready for a match. Okay, in order to get ready, you first need a patu or racket. Some call it a rākete, but I use patu. Both work. You also need to have pōro tēnehi, tennis balls. The word for serve is tuku. The serve must go diagonally to the other side. That's called hauroki, diagonally. The next term is whakamātau, which means to practice. This is used when talking about honing your skills and improving your game. That's what I say anyway, when I need to improve. The next term is called tukutika, which means a successful serve. Okay, the next terms are kēmu, wāhanga, kehi, which translates to game, set, match. And that's it for our lesson about tennis terms. We hope you've learned something new today.